Hello there, Class 184. Welcome to the Senior Project. I'm Mrs. Stafford, and I'll be your guide here on this wonderful journey. First of all, what is the Senior Project? It's a chance to show who you are, what you've learned, and where you're going. Each project is as unique as you are. And yes, it's also a graduation requirement. The senior project timeline this year is a little different than previous years, so that you'll have time to finish your Zello senior portfolio. You will have all of February to complete your project. It's due on February 28th. Don't worry about the Zello part yet. That will come in March, when your Zello senior portfolio is due at the end of the term. We'll guide you through that process before then. In April and May, your project will be assigned to a teacher to grade, and a counselor will check your Zello portfolio to make sure you have fulfilled all of the requirements for graduation. You may notice a new Google Classroom called the Multidiscipline Project. This is where you will find your senior project template. You'll need to make a copy and attach it to the posted assignment. The first page of the template has all the directions for your project. It also includes the rubric for each slide. When you're done with your project, delete the directions slide so that the first slide is the one with your name, ID, and picture on it. Here's an example of what not to do on your project. This person has not added any photos. The slide still says "Insert title here" instead of a unique title. And the background and shape of the slide is still boring and bland. Here's a better example of how to create a slide. It has the same text, but it has a dynamic background while still having easy-to-read text that's not just a solid block. It has a unique title and lots of pictures, most of which are personal and not stock photos. Speaking of stock photos, the use of AI is acceptable in photo generation, but use it sparingly to talk about your future, times when you don't have photos. It's never okay to have AI generate your text for you. Students expected of using AI text will be reported to Dr. Gower for a conference and consequences for breaking the student honor code. Now, do you have to use slides or the template provided? No. You are unique. Your project is about you. Feel free to get creative and think outside the box, as long as you cover the same information in the 9 content slides. Finally, remember to have fun and be yourself. This is your senior project.